I've got $20 to spend and I'm at Harbor Freight. Everybody knows how quickly 20 bucks goes, but everybody knows how hard money is to come by these days. So we're in Harbor Freight. I've got 20 bucks. I'm gonna see what I can get in here. Here in the clearance section is always a great place to find great deals on stuff. For that speed square. That's a deal. Wow. I'm gonna look at this digital caliper right here because actually this is something that I've been wanting. It's $9.99, but you have to remember everything in the store is 25% off today because it's Memorial Day. So I'm gonna grab this. And so I'm looking for these yellow tags right here, which are instant savings. I'm looking for these tags right here, which are inside track club savings also. These drill bills, this is great. $5.99. Great. Good try.
I think it's $20, but I think we investigate that.
Zip ties. I can never have too many zip ties. I've got $20. I'm gonna see if I can get all this for $20. All right. So with the sale today and my inside track stuff, I think I'm in. Uh-oh. But we don't have like the Memorial Day thing, right?
Not yet, no.
Not yet. All right, let's see. We may have to put something back.
Yeah, you're at 2609.
I'm pretty proud of us. All right, got a bag of stuff. I'll show you everything in just a minute. There's my receipt right there. And as you can see, $19.69. Awesome. All right, I am back at the house. Let's empty out the bag and see what I was able to get for 20 bucks. All righty, so before I empty the bag out, so looking at the receipt here, I can see now where I messed up in the store. These clearance items, they weren't subject to the 25% off. That kind of messed me up. So we wound up having to put back, the super glue and the zip ties. So anyway, not that big of a deal, but I will know the next time. The Speed Square, that was $1.99 if I remember right. I've got 3 or 4 of these anyway, but they're like pens and pencils. They're always getting misplaced. So anyway, that is always a good thing. The bits, I think that was a great buy at $5.99, and these were on clearance, so we didn't get a discount, but still $5.99 for these. The sanding discs, fantastic. I usually buy these in a big bulk pack, but for $1.47 a piece, and these were on clearance, so we didn't get a discount, but $1.47 a piece for 4 of these, that was a good deal. And then my big win for the day was the digital caliper, which was something that I had been wanting to get anyway, and I was able to get it with the discount. I got it for $7.50. That's a heck of a deal right there. Where else can I go except to Harbor Freight and get all of this cool stuff for 20 bucks? All right, so as usual, thank you, Harbor Freight, for hooking us up with some great products at just a little bit of money. For 20 bucks, we were able to get a lot of really cool stuff. And just to let you know, Harbor Freight does not sponsor us. They haven't paid us. They didn't ask us to do this. It's just one of our favorite places to go. And with 20 bucks, I think we got a really good deal today. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it's helpful for you. And if you like it, hey, like this video and give us a shout. Leave us some comments. Subscribe to our channel if you like this, because we're doing it all the time. If you want to know even more about us, go to applevalleyfarmga.com, and that's our home on the web. We would love to see you there. Thanks a lot, and I will see you the next time here when we have 20 bucks and we go somewhere else.